back to my channel, abeerrao, and today I have a new Python project for you guys. It's a very basic beautiful soup web scraping project in which I get the current value of Bitcoin. Very simple. So the base URL is here, the headers are here, and the website is Crypto Watch. If I click on open right over here, you will be directed to this website right over here, and here you have all the prices for all the different cryptocurrencies. Okay, so this is the main function. We're making a page, making a soup object, then we're getting the div with this class, and we're getting the fifth element in this list. Why do we want the fifth element? Well, because as you can see here, about Bitcoin we have Tether, and there are like 4 divs of Tether. We don't want that, we want Bitcoin. So the fifth div in this website, which is the fifth div in this website with that class is the Bitcoin price div. So we are getting that. Then for every item in the div, if it's a span, which is a span tag is basically the price which is written inside of the div. If I just show you that, here you can see we have a div here, and then inside that div we have a span tag. This is a span tag, span of price, and then we're getting the price by doing item.text, and then we're printing that out. And now what I'm doing is I'm calling this function every 5 seconds so that I'm on top of the Bitcoin charts. So if I just run that, and I'll just make one little addition here, I'll just do print to make it look a little cleaner. So if I do python main.py and main.py and run that. Okay, so it's running now. Let's see. Come on, why it's not running? Wait. Yep, okay. So here we have 11821.5, and it's slow because Python is a slow language, and you know it can handle all of this immense web scraping and web crawling. Plus my computer is a little slow. So as you can see, it's refreshing every 5 to 7 seconds, and you're getting the latest Bitcoin prices. So I'll stop that. So that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, make sure to hit that like button. If you're brand new, subscribe to the channel. Keep receiving coding videos like this one, educational coding videos, and other cool stuff. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.